Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This time we're actually making a really delicious beverage made out of watermelon. Now it's around 100 degrees outside, so it's super hot, and this beverage is really refreshing, so especially in the summertime, it's gonna be really great to drink. So I just wanna go ahead and share with you guys. So it's really simple to make. Let's get into it. Start by adding watermelon to a blender cup. Then 3 to 4 mint leaves. Shred some lemon zest and squeeze a quarter of a lemon. Squeeze the lemon and now add hibiscus tea. I'm using 1/3 of a cup. Then fill the rest of the cup with ice. Let's blend it. Once it's blended, it's ready to serve. So now my favorite part of all of this, the taste test. So let's see how it is. Oh yeah, that's really good. So one of my favorite parts about this is actually since we added the lemon and the mint in there, it completely changes the flavor. So watermelon is on the sweet side, but then you add the mint and the lemon in there and it kind of gives it a little bit of a different taste that really transforms it. So I absolutely love it. I think if you guys try it out, you're gonna absolutely love it as well. But for now, if you enjoyed this video and wanna see many more just like this one, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.